Hello guys, we are now in the Dushanbe railway station, or we can say that it's Poise. And now we are along with the vlogger, that is Ritik. Now we have the Dushanbe railway station. That is only, it goes to the only through some states such as we can say about the Kulob, then about like that we can only go, and it does not go any like famous places like Safedra, any Pamir like that. But the transport we can say that is only we can get the autobus, that is 1 and 3 we can go from here.
This side only bus number 1 and bus number 3A. And 3A also double decker, both are comes in this side.
Here only some trains are only traveling to the Kulob. We can about Kulob we can say about 5:30 we have the train every day, and about we can say in Wednesday there are some short distance trains also available here.
Okay, what you talk to about the prices? Is it expensive or
It's cheap, bro. It's about for traveling through the bus we can through the Asian Express is about 40 to 50 some money. It's Kulob, and about we use the poise of the train. It's about 15 so money we can go for it. About how much hours is train?
2 hours, 256 kilometers.
Yeah, it's about 2 hours, about 256 kilometers we can travel by train.
Okay,
So
please help to see in the inside our railway station what will happen.
let's go the inside of the railway station.
What's inside that?
Oh, it's good.
Yes. Here you will also listen the voice of the
Train also, well, train not plane also. Nearby plane is also there. Is also the airport is also nearby. So they are preparing for landing. So we are getting inside of the train
yes,
platform.
This is the tourist information. You can see that first time.
Yeah, it's good. Peaceful railway platform. Hi. It's a
Yes, this is a television of Tajik language. That's nice.
yeah, good.
Here is written in English and Tajik. I think maybe it is Russian. And here is police administration, medical center, and like toilets, ticket offices. All is good because there's so much peace, silence area. And there is, I think, administrative and
The information office.
yes, so much nice and little, but so much nice.
It's spacious.
Okay, we should go to outside now.
Unlike India, we don't need any platform tickets for getting into the. Yeah, always empty. So no problem. There is no police, nothing.
This is a railway station or any peace area.
Yeah, we can use it as for couples also. No problem. It's a spacious area. We can go for just for spending some time here. Then
Only two people are sitting here. That's nice.
yes, good.
If you want to travel nearby cities, you can come.
Yes.
And I will upload a sheet of where it is
Traveling-
going to station and destination and arriving time also. You can use it. Which live in Dushanbe or want to come in Dushanbe. They may be student, they may be tourist. You can try to open it. भैया बिल्ली आ गई है. You want to stop it, you lock? Okay, you can go another bogie. Meow. What is this? Meow. Meow, meow, meow. This is a railway track of Dushanbe city. Here are so much tracks, but there is nothing train. It is empty, and they are standing bogies only. My friend Arjun want to try open the door, but he do not get a success in opening the door. He opened to try every door, but he he was fail in every time. And here is only bogie, not anyone engine. Only there are standing bogies. अभी चलते हैं उस साइड और देखते हैं what we see in that side. Only track, nothing else. What Arjun? What she want? What she want? Do you have anything for eating? No, you can catch it. No problem. This is so much sweet. You have any food item? You have any food item? You have any food item in your bags?
Only water.
Oh, water, but she not need water. She want to eat something. Okay. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये हमको मिली है यहाँ पे, तो इसको देखते हैं, कुछ खिलाते पिलाते हैं। इसको गला ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे कि इसको प्यासी है ये। इसको कुछ पिलाते हैं और खिलाते हैं, चलते देखते हैं। यू कैन गो। ओके, फेस इज नाइस, क्यूट बेबी, क्यूट, सो मच क्यूट यार। सो मच क्यूट। ओके, गो विद यू। फ्रेंड्स, ये हमें उस साइड जा रहे थे रेलवे ट्रैक के, तो तभी भी हमें मिली, उस साइड आ गई हमारे। हम इस साइड आए तो फिर इस साइड आ गई। तो अब हम इसको कुछ खिलाते हैं। तो बहुत अच्छी है यार, ये बहुत जल्दी फ्रेंडली हो गई हमारे साथ, बिल्कुल। और बिल्कुल भी ऐसा परेशान नहीं कर रही कि अभी उतरने की कोशिश कर रही हो। बहुत अच्छी है। इसको कुछ खिलाते हैं पिलाते हैं, अब देखते हैं। अब आप ये मत कहना कि ये हमें किस शताब्दी में लाके खड़ा कर दिया, क्योंकि ये ट्रेन ही काफ़ी पुरानी है। यहाँ पे ये खड़ी हुई हैं, काम तो कुछ होता नहीं है इनसे, क्योंकि बस देखने के लिए लगाई हुई हैं। स्पेसिमेंस है। और थोड़ा ऊपर चल के देखते हैं, यहाँ पे रेलवे का जो मार्केट है वो चल के देखते हैं। माय फ्रेंड डियर अर्जुन, वी विल गो टू दिस मार्केट। There is a little market near the railway station, so much little. This is also a market. This is on the railway track, bridge market.
Bye.